My name is Mohammad Hussain. I am 5 years old. I study in class FS3. My school name is David School. Today I am doing an activity of magic color changing apple furniture.
What is this?
This is a red apple.
What other red things do you know?
Red marker, red pen, red ball, red rose, red balloon, red strawberry, red cherry.
These are three primary colors, red, blue and yellow. Now we will make new colors using these three primary colors. Now mix red and blue, it will make the new color purple. Which color is formed?
Purple.
Now mix red and yellow, it will make the new color orange. Which color is formed?
Orange.
Now mix blue and yellow, it will make green. Which color is formed?
Green.
Which color are you using?
Green.
How did you make this color?
By mixing blue and yellow.
Which magical story is your apple telling?
मेरा एप्पल ये मैजिकल स्टोरी सुना रहे कि लॉन्ग अगो was एप्पल ट्री। उस ट्री पे मैजिकल एप्पल्स आते थे। जो भी उन्हें खाता था उसके पास सुपर पावर आती और वो हर मॉन्स्टर से फाइट कर सकता।
Mama Hussain, did you enjoy this magical apple color changing adventure?
Yes!